Hello everyone, in this video I want to teach a powerful and accurate strategy in the style of large companies. This strategy is used in 3-layer timeframes and is very accurate and powerful. This strategy uses the new Heikin-Ashi indicator, but the trading method is very different. I myself get 2 lucrative trades a day from this strategy. The points that I will explain in the video, if you learn properly and execute in your trades, you will achieve 100% win rate. As you can see, the error of this strategy is close to 0 and you will get 100% profit in each of your trades. What you see are the exact strategy signals that I marked in 3 different time frames. And I will teach you how to get the exact signals of this strategy and start trading. So watch this video carefully. Okay, dear traders, let's learn this 3-tier strategy. First of all, let me point out that the signals that you see are obtained by combining 2 indicators and a 3 time frame strategy. I will now explain how this strategy transmits these signals. First of all, we change the candlesticks to Heikin-Ashi. I will do a test with the signals issued by this strategy to see for yourself how it signals. The green and red halos you see are based on Heikin-Ashi candlesticks, but with a new method. I will test a few examples and then move on to the next points. Well, let's add the CCI indicator to the chart, but this time with different and optimized changes. This is the CCI I add to the chart. Let's change the settings of the CCI indicator, but different from the previous video. Here I change the number 100 to 110, and the second one the same way. In this section, I change the dashed line to a smooth line to see it more clearly. Then I change the color. In the inputs section, I change the number 20 to 40. Well, dear traders, let's explain how to use this strategy. The indicator above is made from the new Heikin-Ashi, and is used in this strategy with a modified CCI combination, and sends an accurate signal in 3 combined time frames. We receive the first signal from the 30-minute time frame. To receive the sell signal, each time the top indicator issued a sell signal, and at the same time in the CCI indicator, the blue line crossed the red line from the top to the bottom. Both conditions are met and this signal is valid at 30 minutes time frame. I draw a vertical line here, then I make this signal step by step more accurate and profitable. Pay close attention to the important points I'm making here. Well, now we take the time 1 step lower, and set it at 15 minutes. Next, in this time frame, we place the vertical line on the valid signal. Then I lower the time frame again and set it to 5 minutes. I find the vertical line in this time frame. Again, as before, I place the vertical line on the valid signal of the 2 indicators. This signal was optimized and more accurate in 2 steps. We lower the time frame again, and set it to 1 minute. We look for the vertical line again. Well, when we find the vertical line, I put it exactly on the valid signal of both indicators. With this technique, the indicator signals become much more accurate, especially the CCI indicator signals. Now I open a sell position here. Okay, now I change the time frame to 30 minutes. Here is the golden point of this strategy. See here, the general downward trend in the 30-minute time frame was quite clear. In this case, we move the position forward according to the downward trend. I specify the exit point of the sell position using the CCI indicator. And I draw a horizontal line. This is where the 30-minute time frame downtrend ends. The last target is the exit from the position of this area. In this strategy, we first identify the valid signal in a 30-minute time frame, then mark it with a vertical line. We then lower the time frame step by step, and the signals become more accurate and valid. This is a big secret in scalping trading. Okay, let's test the buy trading position once again with this awesome strategy. Here, by drawing a vertical line, I specify the valid signal in 30 minutes time frame. Then I change the time frame to 15 minutes. I put this vertical line again on the valid signal of the indicators. I lower the time frame one step, and set it for 5 minutes. I put the vertical line on the valid signal again. You notice, the desired signal is slowly becoming more accurate. And in the last step, I set the time frame to 1 minute. I look to find the vertical line in the chart. Well, I put the vertical line exactly on the valid signal. Now I will open a buying position in this time frame. Well, now I change the time frame to 30 minutes. Well, this is where I open the position, because the time frame was small, it could not be seen. I will raise the buying position to the end of the uptrend. As you can see, this position also reached the target with the recognition of an upward trend with high profits. Note here, how accurate the signal this strategy sent. It was in the shadow of this candle that he issued us a buying position. This was a secret in the strategy that I taught you. Okay, let's add the indicators to the chart, see what indicator I used in this strategy. Search for Heikin-Ashi smoothed buy sell in the search bar. Add this indicator to the chart. Click Apply to add to the chart. Now I go to the indicator settings. In the first style field, uncheck the tables option. Then in the inputs section, change the number 55 to 47. Now let's add the CCI indicator on the chart but with different changes. Search here CCI. Add the CCI indicator to the chart. An important part of this strategy is in the CCI indicator settings. Please see carefully. First of all, we change the number 20 to 40. Next in the style section, change both numbers from 100 to 110. Change this dashed line to a straight line. Change the first color to red and the second to green. Then change the CCI color to light blue and make it a little thicker to see it more clearly. Yes, dear friends, our trading strategy is ready. You can use this strategy in normal mode in any time frame. I do a simple test of this strategy in the Bitcoin chart. This Bitcoin chart is 30 minutes in time frame. Here is a valid sell signal. Here both indicators issued a valid buy signal. Here is a valid buy signal. These signals work very accurately through these two indicators. I will open some examples of position tests. Let's go to the times when the price chart is in ranging mode. I set the number 100 of these CCI lines to 110, to easily filter out false signals. The CCI indicator has not output any signal here. But the Heikin Ashi indicator has issued some false signals here. But the CCI indicator with its new changes has filtered these false signals. If you enjoy the new trading method, be sure to like this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, mention them in the comments section of this video. I suggest you watch the next video. In that video I taught a profitable strategy.